Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to disable data saver on Facebook. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. So if you use or turn on, enable the data saver, the media quality on your Facebook will be reduced. What if you want to optimize the media that appear on your Facebook? You can turn off or disable the data saver. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Facebook. You can see my data saver is active, is enabled. Now you can tap on your profile. Tap on settings and privacy. Tap on settings. You can scroll down and tap on media here on preferences. On the video quality menu, there is an option optimized and data saver. My data saver is active. You can manage your default video quality and the amount of cellular data you use with the following options. You can choose optimize. If you want to get a high resolution quality from the video or media on your Facebook, you can choose the optimized one here. So when you see any video or photo on Facebook, the quality will be optimized. So that is how to disable data saver on Facebook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!